Muscle cars have always lived by one rule. Big horsepower means big money. Classic icons like the Chevelle LS6 and the Hemi cars now cost more than most homes. And even modern monsters like the Hellcat can push well past 90 grand. But here's the good news. Real American power isn't just for the rich. Today, we're breaking down 5 affordable muscle cars that deliver way more horsepower than you'd ever expect, all for under 30 grand. 1968 Plymouth Sport Satellite. Average used price, $16,700. Power, 375 HP. The Plymouth Satellite is a little confusing to non-Mopar wonks because it looks like a Roadrunner but isn't a trim and is actually a separate nameplate. It is, however, quite easy to understand as it's a B-body Mopar muscle car, the same as the Dodge Coronet or Super B and the Roadrunner or GTX. Things get even less complex when you look at the cost of a classic Satellite, which comes in far less than its Plymouth siblings. A 68 Roadrunner 440 can run into the hundreds of thousands, while a similarly equipped Satellite is a super ride at a super affordable price. Prices and values. J.D. Power average retail, $16,700. Haggerty good condition, $30,200. Average auction price, $29,563. Top auction sale, $50,000. Bring a trailer dest deal, $21,900. J.D. Power, which pits its prices based on real-world sales, says a 1968 Satellite has an average retail price akin to a bag of peanuts, though that might not reflect a 440 car. Haggerty is a little higher with the good condition value, but still in our $30,000 range. That amazing-looking Satellite pictured above went for just over $20,000 on Bring & Trailer, and, while not entirely original, is a 375-horsepower showstopper. With a gorgeous restoration/mod and serious classic performance, there can be no complaints at this ridiculously low price. 1969 AMC Javelin SST. Average used price, $21,000. Power, 315 HP. The first, most obvious place to look for some budget horsepower is with the woefully underrated AMC muscle cars. A 1969 Javelin SST with a 390 Ci V8 is good for 315 ponies and has some uniquely cool styling to go along with it. Classic Mustangs and Camaros are so ubiquitous that people don't really notice them on the street, but a Javelin is guaranteed to turn heads. Almost no modern eyes have ever seen one before, but its striking, aggressive design is sure to be a conversation starter. 1969 Javelin SST prices and values. J.D. Power average retail, $21,000. Haggerty good condition, $28,400. Average auction price, $27,838. Top auction sale, $77,000. Bring a trailer best deal, $28,000. Breaking the ice on that conversation is supremely cheap with the J.D. Power average retail price at barely over $20,000. Haggerty thinks a little more of the AMC muscle car, valuing it in good condition at almost $30,000, which lines up with the average auction price. Bring a Trailer, however, has offered up some truly great deals, including that bittersweet orange beauty above that hit the Haggerty value almost exactly, selling for $28,000. It's not just a good condition ride, though, as it is restored and only has 41K miles on it. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S. Average used price, $22,700. Power, 330 HP. Despite the high profile of the third-gen Plymouth Hemi Cuda, the second-generation Barracuda is a relatively anonymous classic muscle car. Like the Javelin, most people have never seen a 1969 Barracuda Formula S, but will instantly be struck by its amazing lines and bold stance the second they do. Fastback or notchback, either way, this is a sweet-looking ride. Equipped with a 330 horsepower 383 Ci V8, the diminutive Formula S capitalized on its awesome power-to-weight ratio and was a 13-second street terror. Prices and values. J.D. Power average retail, $22,700. Haggerty good condition, $22,500. Average auction price, $50,266. Top auction sale, $132,000. Bring a trailer dest deal. Bid to $27,000. 1969 Barracuda Formula S prices and values. In 1969, the Formula S came standard with a 340, and there was a 383 option, as well as a 440, but there is no evidence that any Barracudas were ever equipped with that last one. The low J.D. Power average retail price may reflect a 340 equipped car, but the Haggerty good condition value is for a 383 ride. At auction, these prices are obliterated, with the average sale more than doubling and a top gavel drop in the six figures. Bring-In Trailer has never sold a 1969 Formula S 383, but has offered up some incredible Barracudas from the same year in the $20,000 range. It's not just a good condition ride, though, as it is restored and only has 41K miles on it. In a bit of weirdness, that's actually kind of neat. Whoever did the restoration chose to badge the fenders and hood with 444 emblems. 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS. Average used price, $24,600. Power, 300 HP. When it comes to the Chevrolet Nova SS, the 375 horsepower 3.9s is the most desirable, but unfortunately that ain't a $30,000 ride. A 71 SS 350, however, fits our cool-looking $30,000 300 HP template perfectly. The 3.9's big block was replaced in 1971 by the 350 Ci small block V8, which had previously been rated at 295 horsepower. That doesn't qualify for our list, but also in 1971, the 350 got a 5-pony boost, bringing its output up to 300. The last piece of the puzzle to make it here is for some killer styling, and the Nova was still a bad little ride that year. Prices and values. J.D. Power average retail is $24,600. Haggerty good condition is $29,800. Average auction price is $37,508. Top auction sale is $117,700. Bring a trailer dealerless deal is $20,000. The average retail and good condition values are below the $30,000 threshold, with auction prices skewing a bit higher. The best deal on Bring-In Trailer, on the other hand, is a complete steal. A completely restored Blue 71 SS recently sold on the online auction site for only $20,000. Sure, it's not all original, but that doesn't make it any less spectacular. With a replacement ZZ4 350 5.7-liter V8, this is actually a 355 horsepower ride and possibly more. In a bit of weirdness, that's actually kind of neat. Whoever did the restoration chose to badge the fenders and hood with 444 emblems. 2015 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. Average used price, $25,675. Power, 707 HP. The leap from a 300 horsepower Nova to a 707 horsepower Hellcat Charger is only a matter of $1,000 or so, which is as crazy as it is awesome. In 2015, Dodge escalated the modern muscle car era horsepower wars in dramatic fashion by supercharging a 6.2-liter Hemi V8 for both the Challenger and Charger. The Challenger models are a little pricier, but the Hellcat Chargers are shockingly affordable factory drag supercar street beasts. While there's no reason why anyone would need a car this powerful, there are also zero arguments for why they shouldn't have one. Prices and values. J.D. Power average retail, $25,675. Haggerty good condition, $43,500. Average auction price, $39,738. Top auction sale, $88,000. Bring a trailer dest deal, bid to $41,250. The auction prices for a 2015 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat are over our $30,000 limit, but that's because most of them were low to no mileage investments that were sat on instead of enjoyed. Haggerty's good condition value is over $40,000, and while Bring a Trailer has never sold a 15 Charger Hellcat, they did have one bid up in the same range. While it seems like maybe this isn't an appropriate ride for this list, J.D. Power has documented several actual sales, and the average price they went for was just a little more than $25,000. This is doable for someone willing to put in the research.